Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my dear friends. You're welcome back to Trendy Nails and Hairs. This is the channel that always gives you the very best in nails and hairs fashion. So if you're seeing this channel for the first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, I urge you to subscribe to my channel, and as you do that, do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that you always get notified as soon as a new video is dropped in this channel. So in this video today, I have the best selections of braid styling ideas for you, my gorgeous queens. So watch the video in order for you not to miss any slide. From this video, you will get a lot of ideas on how to style your braid hair to make it look more unique and more fabulous. Okay, so sit back and watch this video to the end. And as you do, kindly support my channel by hitting the like button. Okay, like the video, and also feel free to share this video to your friends and to your loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. And I also say a big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching my videos and also engaging. And in case if this is not really what you want, you can go down into my channel to see other videos that are available in my channel. I have videos on other hairstyles and also on different nail designs. Thank you as you do that, and see you in my next video. Bye for now. you.